So good morning. Welcome to Company Law and Secretarial Practice class. In today's session, I am going to discuss about secretarial work relating to statutory meetings. Secretarial work for statutory meetings are broadly classified into three categories: pre-meeting preparations, conduct during the meeting, and post-meeting follow-up. And that first one is pre-meeting preparations. The secretarial work begins well before the actual meeting date. This phase is crucial for ensuring a smooth and productive meeting. First, the secretary has to determine the meeting schedule and venue. The secretary, in consultation with the chairperson or relevant committee, determines the date, time, and frequency of statutory meeting. Then, selecting an appropriate venue is essential. The venue should be accessible, comfortable, and equipped with necessary facilities. Then second one is preparing and distributing the notice of meeting. The notice of meeting is a formal communication informing attendees about the upcoming meeting. It must include specific details such as name of the organization holding the meeting, the type of meeting, the date, time, and location of the meeting, any special resolutions or matters requiring a vote, instruction for attending the meeting, information on proxy voting if applicable. Then the notice must be distributed to all eligible attendees within the time frame specified by the company's articles of association or relevant legislation. Then preparing the agenda and supporting documents. The agenda is a roadmap for meeting. The secretary, in collaboration with the chairperson, develops the agenda based on the objectives of the meeting and the matters requiring discussion or decision. The relevant supporting documents such as reports, financial statements, proposals, minutes of previous meeting should be prepared and distributed to attendees along with notice of the meeting. Then managing attendance and proxies. The secretary is responsible for tracking attendance at the meeting. If proxy voting is permitted, the secretary must manage the process of receiving, verifying, and recording proxy votes. This includes providing clear instructions on how to appoint a proxy and ensuring that all proxy votes are properly counted. Then conduct during the meeting. The secretary plays a crucial role in ensuring the smooth and efficient conduct of the meeting. Here, the first one is recording the minutes. The primary responsibility of the secretary during the meeting is to accurately and comprehensively record the minutes. The minutes should capture the date, time, and location of the meeting, the name of attendees and apologize for absence, the summary of the discussions on each agenda item, then discussions made and actions agreed upon, then the voting results on any resolutions, etc. The minutes should be accurate, objective, and free from personal opinions or interpretations. Then, providing procedural guidance. The secretary should be familiar with rules of order governing the meeting and provide guidance to the chairperson and attendees on proper meeting procedures. The secretary is responsible for verifying that the quorum is present before the meeting can proceed. Then, the secretary should explain the voting procedures and ensures that votes are conducted fairly and accurately. Then, managing documents and information. The secretary may be responsible for distributing additional documents or information during the meeting. And the secretary should be prepared to retrieve and provide information relevant to the discussions. Next, post-meeting follow-up. The secretarial work continues after the meeting has concluded. In that, the first one is preparing and distributing the minutes. After the meeting, the secretary prepares a draft of the minutes based on the notes taken during the meeting. The draft minutes should be reviewed by the chairperson or relevant committees for accuracy and completeness. Any necessary corrections or amendments should be made. The approved minutes should be distributed to all attendees and other relevant stakeholders within the reasonable time frame. Next, following up on action items. The secretary should maintain a record of all action items arising from the meeting, including the responsible parties and deadlines. And he should monitor the progress of action items and follow up with the responsible parties to ensure timely completion. Next, last one is maintaining records. The secretary is responsible for maintaining accurate and complete records of all meeting related documents, including notices, agendas, minutes, supporting documents, and attendance records. These records should be properly archived and stored in accordance with the company's record retention policy and relevant legal requirements. And these are the books I have referred.